Charleston Tower, this is Vertical 3 at Landmark with Kilo requesting present point departure.
Vertical 3, roger, departure at your own risk, remain east taxiway Golf, altimeter 3018, proceed towards the paper mill.
Roger that, Vertical 3, thank you.
Challenger 0 Bravo Alpha, where are you parking?
Atlantic 0 Bravo.
Nova 0 Bravo Alpha, turn left on Alpha, ground point under.
Left on Alpha, ground point 9, 0 Bravo Alpha.
Hey, I tell you what, he's on the landline. 0 Bravo Alpha, test taxi to Atlantic, via left on Alpha, right on Golf, monitor ground point under.
Okay, left on Alpha, right on Golf, monitor ground point 9, 0 Bravo Alpha.
Okay, we can do this. We got no obstructions. Slow down. Turn into the wind here in a second.
Consider 90, turn right heading 260, contact departure, have a good flight.
Right, 260 departure, you have a good day too, Blam. Consider 90.
Holy shit, finally.